Company will repay loan amount with quarterly payment $754.71. If company repay quarterly payments $500.71, then how much of the loan would be unpaid after 10 years with quarterly payments of $500.71? You can calculate the unpaid loan amount by using the FV function. Click FV function sheet. Active cell reference D14. Type negative $500.71 quarterly payment in this cell. First enter negative sign, then enter dollar sign. Type 500.71. Press enter key. Again active this cell. What is mean by negative quarterly payment value? This negative quarterly payment value describes the monthly deposit or company will spend that money. This amount is called negative cash flow because company will deposit this amount in each month to return loan. In PMT function, I have used zero value for the future value. If company or individual want to repay loan completely, use zero value in future value argument of PMT function. If company or individual do not want to repay loan completely, you can use FV function to calculate the value of unpaid loan after the specific loan period. Active this cell. Click financial arrow button. Click FV function. This function has 5 arguments. In rate argument, select the cell reference that contains the interest rate per quarter. In NPER argument, select the cell reference that contains the total number of payment periods in the investment or loan. In PMT argument, select the cell reference that contains the quarterly payment and that payment is made in each period. In PV argument, select the cell reference that contains the present value. This argument is optional. It represents the present value of the loan or investment. The PV argument is used positive for loans because it represents the amount of money is coming to the company or individual. Conversely, the PV argument is used negative for investments because it represents the amount of money is invested or spent. In a type argument, type 1, if payment is made at the beginning of the period. Type 0 if payment is made at the end of the period. If you leave blank, in default 0 is entered in this box. In a rate box, select this cell reference, press tab key. In NPER box, select this cell reference, press tab key. In PMT box, select this cell reference, press tab key. In PV box, select this cell reference. FV function returns negative value. This negative value represents that company will repay unpaid loan amount after 10 years at this quarterly payment value. Click OK. FV function returns negative $43,962.70. This is future value of the loan. This future value of the loan is called unpaid value of the loan. Company will repay $43,962.70 unpaid value of the loan after 10 years. If quarterly payment is $500.71.